With PTC Creo, you are able to open and assemble data from a variety of CAD applications. This enables designers to work within the context of a multi-CAD assembly with the latest design information, avoiding errors to save you both time and money. Non-native files from systems such as SolidWorks and CATIA can be easily assembled in reference to other geometry and put in context to the entire assembly. You can then begin to establish intelligence in the imported geometry, including pattern recognition. By simply selecting a piece of the pattern, Creo can find and establish this design intent. And once this pattern has been recognized, you can use it to assemble imported or native components multiple times, quickly and easily, such as bolts and screws in this case. And to ensure that the design stays up to date, with PTC's unique Associative Topology Bus technology, or ATB, you are able to maintain associativity with the original non-native file, allowing you to quickly see and incorporate changes. Now, with your non-native and native parts assembled, you can quickly create new geometry within the context of this multi-CAD assembly by easily referencing various design details and features. Using an existing 2D profile, you can further define this geometry. Once the basic geometry creation is complete, you can add detailed features. In this case, creating a countersunk hole aligned to the axis of a feature of a non-native part. You can then use pattern recognition on this non-native part feature to establish design intent in your new geometry, allowing you to apply this pattern to quickly and easily propagate the countersunk hole. Now that you have created this design intent, including the pattern, assembling additional native or non-native components to your assembly is easy, in this case using a bolt to attach our new part to the previously assembled CATIA part. And due to the associativity between native and non-native components, when an update is received for the CATIA part, PTC's ATB technology propagates the change and reapplies design intent, in this case changing the pattern from 6 holes to 4. By working within the context of the multi-CAD assembly, you are able to visualize all components, establish relationships between them, and easily integrate updates to non-native parts. All this allows you to collaborate more effectively with designers using different CAD systems, helping you to eliminate errors, avoid rework, and shorten design cycles.